If you're a common man in India who wants to start an import-export business but doesn't know where to begin, this video is for you. You don't need to be rich, highly educated, or a big businessman. Even a student, farmer, homemaker, or small trader can do international trade if you follow the correct steps with the right knowledge. The first and most important step is getting your import-export code, known as IEC. This is your license to do international trade legally from India. You can apply for it online at the official DGFT website, .t.gov.in. You only need a PAN card, Aadhaar card, a current account in any bank, and a business name. Even your own name is fine. The government charges just Rs 500, and you'll usually get your IEC in 2 to 3 days. Next, open a current account in your bank linked to your IEC. This account must be used for all export and import transactions. Never use a personal savings account or UPI. International payments should come only to your SWIFT-enabled business current account to avoid legal and banking issues. Once your IEC and account are ready, register your business on platforms like FIEO.org and apeda.gov.in if you want to export food items, IndiaMart Export, Trade India, Exporters India, and Alibaba. These platforms help you connect with real buyers and sellers across the world. You can also use LinkedIn, business groups, and even WhatsApp communities to find leads and support. Now it's time to select the right product. India is famous for many export items like spices, Ayurvedic and herbal products, jaggery, organic millets, handicrafts, imitation jewelry, wooden furniture, garments, toys, and natural oils. These are in high demand in countries like the USA, UK, Germany, Canada, Australia, and UAE. You can use trade report sites like Export Genius, Statista, or even FIEO trade data to know which country is importing which item in large quantities. Once you decide the product, you must find genuine buyers. Use trusted platforms, attend trade fairs, join export groups, and even reach out through professional emails. Don't trust random messages on social media. Check the buyer's company name, website, and background. Never deal with anyone using only a Gmail address or asking you to send goods without advance payment. Always protect yourself from fraud. Many people get scammed because they ignore simple safety checks, don't send goods without proper agreement, avoid giving money to unknown suppliers. Start small, ask for sample orders, and never be greedy if someone promises very large orders quickly. Now comes payment. For beginners, the safest way to get paid is through advance payment, at least 30% before shipping. For larger orders, use methods like letter of credit, LC, or bank guarantee. You can also use PayPal or Wise for small payments, but always ensure that the money goes to your registered business current account. Never accept international money in your personal bank account or UPI. Documents are very important. For every export shipment, prepare the right paperwork, like invoice, packing list, bill of lading or airway bill, shipping bill, and your FIRC, which is given by your bank as proof that you received foreign money. These are necessary for customs clearance and for getting your payment released safely. Now here's a smart trick. After you export something to a country, you can also import something useful from that same country and sell it in India. For example, if you're sending spices to the USA, you can import packaging machines, kitchen appliances, or organic health products from the USA. This two-way trade helps you increase profits and balance your business. Many beginners don't know, but Indian embassies and consulates abroad are very helpful. They can verify foreign companies, guide you if you have disputes, and even connect you with trusted buyers in that country. Just contact the Indian embassy in the buyer's country. They are there to support Indian exporters like you. Also, don't forget about government support inside India. Every state has export promotion councils and MSME help centers. They provide training, export subsidies, trade fair invites, and even packaging and shipping support. Whether you're in a city or village, visit your nearest MSME office and register yourself for benefits. So, what does this all mean? You don't need to be a big shot to start exporting. You just need to take the first step. Follow the legal way, use verified platforms, do your research, and start small. Learn by doing. Grow slowly. And in a few months or years, your products might be sitting proudly on a shelf in another country with the Indian flag behind them. Even from a small house or farm, you can reach the global market. Just have courage and commitment. Remember, you are not alone. Your government, councils, embassies, and platforms are there to help. Use them wisely. So that was your complete guide to starting an import-export business from India to the world. Every detail, from websites, documents, safety, payments, product ideas, and government help, has been shared with you in the simplest possible way. All the best from EasyE Academy. May your products travel the world and make you, your family, and our country proud.